I want you to tell me.
What is it?
You nearly didn't see it. You nearly tripped over it.
I did. It's not the Invisible Man. It's the Invisible Car.
Invisible car. Now, Associated released a RC10 Crystal Clear Edition pan car. TFG actually unboxed his one.
You know how we call it crystal clear? It doesn't actually stand for crystal clear, but crystal clear seems to make more sense to me.
What's that for?
I don't know. It's like classic something.
Collector's Clear Edition. Well, there you go. That's not CCE, just CC.
Oh, I don't know.
Collector's Clear.
Yes.
So they've also done it in the B6.4 D. And the reason they've done it in that is
6.4.
B6.4D. It's just like a sayonara to the model line.
Sayonara!
Because they released this B7. So they thought they'd get one last shot at making money out of molds.
Yes, why not?
Obviously had the polycarbonate from the...
That's right, we've got a bag full of pellets. What are we doing?
We've got a bag full of pellets. What do we do with them, Rog?
That's it.
Stick them in the B64.
That's right, the molds are still in there. Before
we throw them in the bin.
That's right.
So they did. And here's the car.
There you go.
Now, I should have talked about it with TFG, but you can look forward to this one. I'm not going to unbox it because we've already been going for quite some time.
Have we?
Yes. But yeah, myself and Tony Gray are going to do a build show on this.
Yeah.
And then we'll display it and then we'll sell it.
Does it come with a body?
I don't know.
I would like to see one of these. If it's got a body, I'd like to see it with a pearl white body.
Pass me
clear.
I won't be painting it. Pass me a knife.
I mean, you won't be painting it. You can't leave it just clear.
Well,
it's got to have some sort of depth to it. What do you want? You want a choppy thing?
Yeah.
Oh, here's one. Be careful with this. You know what's happened to you last time.
Somebody changed the blade and didn't tell me, and I bled everywhere, didn't I?
Well, I got into trouble too because I was wandering everywhere. It's too sharp.
Oh, look.
Chopped up everything.
They've triple sealed it. Can you get the top camera sorted?
Oh.
The top? No.
Oh, what do you mean?
I've shot from the hip and put on the top camera, and then it's...
Oh, it's too tight. There you go. What have we got there?
It's got bloody wheels. Is that wheels?
Well, you can't even see them.
There's wheels. Gold shock shafts. There's your wheels, folks.
Oh, there is a body in here.
They're clear.
Yeah, pearl white.
Wouldn't it
do
be...
the pearl white. Dust on some pearl white, or do the what's that glittery stuff called?
Bit of lame flake.
Lame flake only.
Yeah, so does not have plastic shock bodies. I was hoping it would have plastic shock bodies. It does actually have alloy ones.
What's that? The shock oil's even clear.
They've pulled out all the stops. It's got alloy suspension blocks. And this is all for a car that's designed not to be played with. Oh well.
Well, it is what it is, isn't it?
CVs. Good for spare parts. There you go.
Wow.
Anyway, it does have a body and it does have wheels. I'm surprised it has wheels. There you go.
Oh, there you go.
We might get some pink tyres on there.
Oh, that'll look cool with pink tyres.
Wouldn't it? That'd be highlights.
Anyway, I don't know about the pink tyres. The pink tyres from Blockhead are going into production. So they will be here soon. So apologies, they've taken a little bit of time.
But you've killed my segue.
What do you mean? Oh, did I? Forget everything I said. And we're just talking about a clear car at the moment.
And we're going to build it. So look out for episodes of that. But what else did Team Associated announce 48 hours ago?
Oh, maybe you should switch the camera.
Oh! You caught me out sooner or later. Rookie error.
They announced
40th anniversary
RC10
gold pan. But it's going to have all 40th anniversary stuff. Now, I've got a little video here. Can I trouble you?
Oh, go, baby.
Do you want to watch this?
Let's watch it.
Do you want to watch this?
Hey, Halsey, car number 2. It's last lap at 13.3 for Halsey. Oh, he's cooking.
The big thing that changed my life is one associate approached me to race for them.
Well, this is the final product. This is what you get when you buy an RC10.
On right there is the very first car that we made.
All the cars in the background.
Prototyping.
The RC10 was a game changer for me when I was introduced to RC car racing.
In the background.
Easy to see him. He's hiding behind the plant.
On my life by taking me in a completely different career path than I expected. I had worked in the motorcycle racing industry
is that better?
for many years. I was began a career adventure that spanned more than 35 years.
And continuing with the Associated Electric 60-year celebration, we're excited to announce the release
How's
of
that?
the RC10 40-year anniversary kit.
Boom! Look at that. It even comes with a box so you can display it like that.
It does. How do I get out of here again?
Out of where? I just click on. That's it. Oh, you do learn. You do
Well,
learn.
I've tried my best.
So there you go. So this classic and then another classic coming.
It is, isn't it?
Yep. So if you're interested, just make sure you go to our product page.
Our product page.
And subscribe
So, for which one?
for the new one coming.
The new one coming. But we've got because the man himself, Tony Gray,
Yes.
has offered. Come in here, TFG.
What's he doing?
He's been lurking around.
Yeah,
We're
I'm
just
looking
talking about.
around
I just talked about the CC that you and I are going to build on camera.